Hey Dorothy, this is an update we're going to be doing for our client called Alison Shaw from Shaw Mediation. So essentially what's happened is she's got about 6,000 contacts in Podio, so it's a lot. And what she wants to do is, after we set everything up, she decided she wanted to have an app called Companies. But it wasn't there from the beginning. So we need to make a few changes in order to get all of the company information added in the Companies app for her. So what I've done is I've created this view for you called Company Update View. So if you click on that, you can come into where we're managing it. And then what you'll see is all of her contacts in here. And what we need to do is go through them all and start to add in this column, company name or organization. We need to add those in where we know what it is. So the old field is called company name. So this one down here. So whenever there's something in this field, we need to make sure it's added in this field as well. So as an example, the very first one here, company name. Okay, so that where that says Clio Mail Drops, that's a mistake. If any of them say Clio Mail Drops, just ignore those ones. But I'd scroll down until I get to the first one that has a company name. So here we go, the first one here. I'd click on it. All right, so what we want to do is add this company name into the other field. So grab where it says company name, go up to company name or organization, and we're going to paste this company name and see if it exists. No, it doesn't. So what we would do is we would go create new item, and then we would put in the company name like this, Federal Minister for Women. We would then go down to key contact, and we want to add that same person into here. Now, that person's name was Senator Michaela Cash. So you might want to have two screens open at once when you do this so you can see who the person's name was. So we add them in, and then if you start to find that, we'll do this first. So then we go save and return. So they're added in like that. Okay. If I had done this and Federal Minister for Women was actually a company used by other people, so it was the same company, so when I put it in there now, so just say I pasted it, get rid of it. Okay, so if I had come in and said, okay, this is the company, and oh, I see that it's already existing, so I didn't have to create a new one, then I could have just selected it like this, but I would have still had to go in, and maybe somebody else is the key contact, but I would have had to add this person as an other contact. So if there are more people who work at the same company, just add them all in under other contacts so that they're all added in either key contact or other contacts for this. Okay, so I'll go back. The other thing that you'll need to do is to get the industry type from here and the contact type. Those should be the same on the company. So when you create the company, you're also going to want to add in those. So for example, if it's a lead or a client, so we'll say this is lead, and then we'll say, I think this one was government. There we go, government. So I've added those in, and so that one's done. So if I come back in here now, she's got the same words in both columns. So then I'd go down to the next one, and then I would add that one in. We need to get through all the ones that have a company name. Not all of them have it, so don't get too worried. There's not 6,000 to be done. But we need to do for all. So I'll see how many if we go through now. Just 1 minute. So if I sort it by company name, I can see all of the names. So then we can see how many of them we have to do. So keep going. So you can see here, for example, work cover essay, they all work at the same company, so we'd have to link them all to the same one. That's an example of what I was saying in the last bit. Keep going. I might keep doing this and I'll let you know how many it gets to, but that's what needs to get done. So let me know if you have any questions.